first I started with the fundamentals. So if you see that wood there, it's going to be my fundamentals, the bottom layer. Then I'm going to make a square around the bottom. So I make that bunker the size that I want. So the idea is I'm going to put some polystyrene. Put like that, and that's going to be a walls. And same over here. We're going to go that way. And then one on the top is about 10 centimeters, so it should keep my water pump nice and warm during the winter. Okay, I'll show you my water station. This water station is going to be somewhere here. Then it will be connected to this one. Then it goes next. Yeah. Just for in case there's a water leak in the washing machine or dishwasher. That's the only reason I'm putting that one there. I can shut water supply. Then I've got this water station. Something like that. Right. This one here. Washing machine. Dishwasher. This one, it goes to water tap. So, got 3 lines here. Dishwasher, washing machine, and water tap. And I've got this one here. So that's how my water station look like. I'll show you where it goes. Yeah, so it goes here. That's going to be my hot water pipe. So this one, as you see, is possible to bend. So I've got this spring here. You put the spring inside the pipe and you can bend it how you want it. So I'm going to try to bend 90 degrees here. And then I will put one elbow here because I need extension. So it's not long enough to reach the point that I need. Took me way longer than I was expecting. Nearly there. Shelf here, handle there, the top and plug all these cables. Cold water, hot water, not sure which one is where, but it doesn't matter, it's not showing anything here. Right, so finally I built my shower cabin. It's absolute rubbish. It's made of plastic. I break 4 things before I build it. Break this one. Handle. The thread inside there. Plastic, 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 plastic. Everything is plastic. Plastic. Plastic, plastic. It's absolute rubbish. The water literally can go through anywhere. I put some silicone around there, around that bit there, and wherever I can. But let's say like this one here, that's the way it made. There's a hole there. Literally the water can go just through. Same over here. Have to put some spacers there to tight it. Oh, but it's rubbish. But you got radio, got light, got fun, just making weird noise, and we got radio. Lovely. And now I just need to connect to a water supply. Also we've got toilet, which is connected and working. My sewage system is nearly done. It's almost finished. So you see that's the water oxygenation process in one of the tanks. That's the air compressor that blows the air. Still thinking doing something over here and maybe put some water plants. But the problem is that during the winter I'll need to keep it nice and warm. So probably there will be something seasonal. So I'll do the floor first and then I'll do the rest. So it's going to be 10 centimeters away from the wall. About, I would say we'll need to leave about 12. 10 centimeters for heat isolation and 2 centimeters for plastering. There's like a lump because of this. This is the way you're gonna look like. Somewhere at this height. This one here. Now I'll do exactly the same with the rest of them. Just gonna use this tape here. Probably I wouldn't even need to use it because you got rubber inside, but just for in case. I'll show you how to connect that kind of joint. See, it's got a metal ring in there, some rubbers there. That's a tool. First, squeeze that in and turn a couple of times so the pipe is really nice and straight. First put this bit, that one, and then push it. Now I'll just tie this one down. That's it, done. What I'll need to do, I'll need to bend it here, round the corner here. That's the way it is. I like to do everything tight, sometimes maybe even too tight. So that's the beginning. That's where the water comes from. This way it goes to toilet, sink, and then the kitchen. And this end goes into a shower. This pipeline goes into a heater, heats up the water, and it goes down here. Hot water goes into a shower. This way it goes all the way there, and it's gonna be sink over here, and then it continues all the way here. It comes down here, and then it will go into our sink in the kitchen. And the cold water, you see that black pipe over here, around the corner, that's a connection to our toilet to supply water. Then it will supply water to our water tap in the sink. Then it continues same to the kitchen. So then it goes down here, over there, and to our water station, dishwasher, washing machine, water tap. About this water heater, Arison RSM7. Problem is, I've done the wrong way around because I didn't know that it goes that way. This is the cold water, and this is hot. I'm gonna touch them here to wool. So now the cold water goes in here. And the hot water exit goes out there. And that will be it. It will be connected. And then later I will need to connect electricity to it. Now I want to try the system to make sure that is running okay, no water leaks or anything, and the water pump runs alright as well. So I will need to connect water tap over here. Once I connect water pump, it should fill the system and then it should stop. Let's see how it works. We may have a lot of water everywhere. No water leaks yet. All good. That's it. Water pump stopped. It's not pumping any water. Now we can try shower. Or I think it's easier to try this tap. Nice. Let's try water in the shower. Don't know where it's gonna go. I've got the shower, oh yeah. Oh, so excited about it. Finally, let's try this out. Oopsie. Yeah, use the shower, I forgot. Plug that in. Oopsie, some water leak.
Thanks for watching.